Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to a culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of lengua, also known as beef tongue. Don't let the name intimidate you, because with the right preparation, it transforms into an incredibly tender and flavorful dish. It's a true delicacy in many cultures, celebrated for its unique richness and versatility. Let's explore how to prepare this amazing ingredient, turning it into something truly special for your table. The first step to a perfect lengua is all about preparation. Begin by giving it a really good wash under cold running water, removing any surface impurities. Next, you'll want to trim away any obvious excess fat or tough glands, making sure it's nice and clean. Many chefs recommend a quick blanch or initial simmer. This helps to loosen the outer skin and ensure a super clean flavor profile for your delicious meal. The secret to truly tender lengua lies in patient, slow cooking. You can simmer it gently on the stovetop in a flavorful liquid for several hours, until it's so tender a fork slides right through. For a quicker option, a pressure cooker is fantastic. It drastically cuts down the cooking time while still ensuring that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Whichever method you choose, tenderness is the ultimate goal for this wonderful cut of meat. Once your lengua is perfectly cooked, the next step is crucial: peeling. While it's still warm, carefully peel away that tough outer skin. It should come off quite easily. Then, you can slice or shred the tender meat into your desired pieces, getting it ready for the next delicious stage. This is where you infuse all those wonderful flavors, adding aromatics like garlic and onions, or your favorite spices to make it truly shine. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly cooked lengua. It's absolutely incredible in tacos, piled high with fresh cilantro, onions, and your favorite salsa. But don't stop there. Lengua is also fantastic in hearty stews, flavorful sandwiches, or simply sliced as a rich main course alongside some vegetables. The possibilities are truly endless, so feel free to get creative and savor every tender, delicious bite you've prepared.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.